Hi there you guys, and welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, to comment, to like, and of course to make sure that you do share this video. So the Sunday World reports that in a startling reversal, the family of Umdeni reality TV star Flora Matlalantabeni Makena has clarified that she is alive days after confirming to Sunday World that she had passed away. The detection follows the star's discharge from intensive care after a severe health crisis her family initially believed fatal. While relieved by her survival, the family now expresses profound fear for her well-being and has leveled serious allegations of unpaid wages and mistreatment against broadcaster Mojalav, claiming the family um, claims that the channel firmly denies. Rather, the star's dramatic return follows her discharge from intensive care after an apparent suicide attempt, which her family believed had claimed her life last Friday. Her body was cold and there was foam coming out of her body. The part traumatized us deeply. We thought she was gone, her sister Nomvula Makena told Sunday World. Now conscious but fragile, Matlalantabeni has left her family shattered and in constant fear of another attempt. We are scared she would do something like this again. Even now, she keeps asking about the money Mojalav owes her, Nomvula said. The family alleges that mounting financial pressures and alleged bullying linked to her work drove her to despair. My mother found her trying to kill herself. She had taken an overdose of pill. This was not the first time, Nomvula stated. The star allegedly faced a wave of humiliation comments on social media after she vented her frustration. People were sent to comment nasty things about our poor situation at home. She told me she did not deserve what they were doing to her. And a stunning claim. The family says that when Matlalantabeni pursued the unpaid wages, a senior channel figure told her production had closed and advised her to ask for your money on TikTok. They also allege she suffered abuse during filming and that was never broadcast. Maseka was abusing my sister, but they never aired that. They told us if we refused to shoot, we would be removed. She carried on because she is our breadwinner. Mojalav spokesperson Nonkwazi Cekete has vehemently denied all allegations. Cekete stated that Matlalantabeni faced serious personal and mental health challenges unrelating to the channel, including domestic dispute and unexplained absences from shoots. At no point did Mojalav subject Matlalantabeni to bullying, mistreat, or unfair labor practices. These claims are misleading and without foundation, Cekete said. The channel maintained a professional relationship, fulfilled all contractual obligations, paid for, rendered, and even granted an advance at her request. As the star recuperates, her resurrection has become the catalyst for a very public and painful confrontation, leaving fans wondering what really happens behind the scenes of their reality TV show. Well, there you have it, you guys. What do you think about this? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Also, like this video, and of course, do make sure that you do share it so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video.